My life changed when I realized how easy I could create standard operating procedures with AI and video for my team of over 100 agents. So if you're a broker out there, or you're a team lead, or you're an agent that's looking to grow a team of TCs and VAs, this is an absolutely must-watch video. Stay till the end. I will screen share and show you exactly how it's done so that you can absolutely scale your business, grow an agent count using this easy to do method that we have created at the Wolfpack. So let's go. What's up, guys? I'm Jeremy Kane, the Real Estate Agent Playbook, getting a little bit into the weeds here, helping you as a broker, team lead, or an aspiring broker or team lead grow a business that is repeatable, right? That's the biggest thing. So if you're into that, please stay till the end. We're going to screen share, we're going to do all the things. But I am Jeremy Kane. I'm a producing agent, and I also lead over 100 agents, and I produce videos like this, helping you grow, whether it's in production as a solo agent or a broker or team lead. I'm here for you. I'm putting out content twice a week, and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel or listen on the podcast. At the end of this video, I will tell you exactly how to get my 10-point checklist to grow a team or a brokerage. But for now, let's just do that. Hit the notification bell and let's go. Okay, so obviously, as I've grown, I've realized that we need to have standard operating procedures, or SOPs, that do not involve me telling an agent exactly what's going on, right? If I'm trading my time and I'm saying the same things over and over again, there has to be a way to use technology to get that information on paper in front of people, the use of video, and really dial that in. So as I stepped back and I started asking some of my people, actually, this is a piece from my upline partner, Louis Galt, where he talks about putting a SOP together using this exact strategy. So I'm talking super simple. As a broker or a team lead, it is imperative that you have an SOP. It creates uniformity. It creates, expectations for that new agent coming in, and they're going to produce at a higher level because your time is not required directly in order to teach them something that they can easily follow in an easy to see outline and video with a screen share. So that's the importance of it. But it's a game changer, right? If for all the things, right? Say we're talking about pulling comps for, a listing appointment, or creating a CMA, or whatever that looks like. If you're able to screen share and show exactly how it is and then put it into words so that they can follow along, it gives all the different types of learning styles exactly what they need to make that happen. Therefore, when you're having a meeting and someone's like, hey, I have my first listing appointment, it's not like, okay, let's go all the way back to the beginning. You can say, okay, great. When is it? Let's go down this, follow this process. Here's the Google Drive. Follow the listing presentation process. And then once you go through that and you have the basics, then let's come together and put it all together, right? That's a much better use of your time as a leader. And that's the importance of this. And in order to scale, it's important that you do this right now, right? My partner, Louis, talks about recording everything he's doing on the screen because one day he could possibly outsource that, right? And for him, that's absolutely massive. So we're going to dive into that. So I'm going to start screen sharing, and then we'll finish up. I'll be back and we'll talk about it a little bit, but check this out. It's absolutely game changing. Okay. So for simple purposes, we're just going to come into our MLS and we're going to pull up InfoSparks here. We're going to click this button. And basically what we're going to do is create a market report. And so every single month, on the first of this month as an agent, we want you to come in and pull this report based on, let's just say you're focusing on first-time home buyers. So we'll go to 339 to 474. Pull this. We'll say, 3 bedrooms, 2-bath homes, and all sizes. And we're going to start pulling data, right? We're going to say, okay, what was the close price? Okay, so we can, even with the use of AI, you can do this, but you can also create an entire, presentation based on this. So you're going to click this print button. We're going to save this as a PDF. We're going to download it to our computer by clicking this button. And we'll title it median close price. I'm going to download that. Then we're going to, come over here. We're going to get the next one. Let's say we just want to see closed listings and kind of see what's going on here, and the number of closed listings as we go in this price point. So as you can see here, when the market was hot, and we've steadily seen a decline. So that's going to be an important piece we want to have in our messaging. So we're going to do that. We're going to hit print. We're going to save it as a PDF again. We'll do close listings. We're going to come in here. Okay, close that. I see one more just for shows per listing. As we kind of go here, we're 7.7. We do want to probably zoom this in more so you can change as we go. There's just not very many homes on the market, right? So we'll print this one. Okay. So we're going to take these 3 PDFs every single month, and we are going to plug them in to ChatGPT, right? This is saving you time as a broker, helping your agents create, value. So you're going to come over here. You're going to say, I would like to create a short form video clip that encompasses everything that is being reported on the graphs I have uploaded. I am a realtor in Denver, Colorado. Right, so we're using AI. We're going to focus in. This is what we're going to do here. I'll just fix all of that, and then I will pull in all of these. So I'll find the documents, and I am going to pull them in. But when I did that, that all disappeared. So let's pull that back up. I'll go like this. We will take these documents. We'll just drag and drop them into the ChatGPT folder. And we will see what it spits out. So as you can see here, ChatGPT can read the images, and I have this exact script with an introduction, all the highlights, and all of that on there, right? So then we're going to take this script and, move forward, and then we're going to basically just have this on our computer screen and report this. We can use the graphs in our video if we would like, and you are going to push that out to your organic social media. Okay, so that is the SOP that we created. Okay, so now that we have our recorded video, we are actually going to come into a transcription service of some sort. I use Otter AI. You can use YouTube, a myriad of plugins that they have there. But what we're going to do is we're going to pull the video into Otter AI, if this is what you choose to use. And essentially it will upload the video. And while that's uploading, it will then transcribe. So what we're going to do is, since we were talking into the video the entire time and telling it what we were doing and what we were clicking from a standard, deal that we do in real estate, we are now going to allow this to transcribe, and it's going to hear our voice and write down everything that we say. Now what we're going to do is take this transcription, and we still have the video to show with the screen share and all of that. And we're going to ask ChatGPT to turn it into an SOP, and then we'll put it in, a drive, and then it can be forever memorialized in your database, so that when agents come to that point and it's time for them to start doing those market updates, then we are able to plug that right in. So it's processing. Here it is. So it's the entire transcript here, and we will now go over to here and we'll export it. We're going to get it into PDF format, and ChatGPT now does that for us. It can read images and PDFs. So once we have that here, we're going to pull the document into ChatGPT. We're going to ask it, I always say please to ChatGPT, standard operating procedure based on the transcript of the video which is attached. This SOP will be available to new agents at my brokerage when they go to do their first market update. I will also attach the link to the SOP once you have created the outline. There we go. We're going to hit this. And there we go. So it's very simple. Obviously, we could have done something much more involved, like showing a house. We could have done a video and talked through it. How to, negotiate an inspection objection, or any of the things that might come up that you can do, you can create an SOP for. So it just says, basic stuff. And then what we'll do is just take these. We'll just copy and paste the information that matters because ChatGPT puts this stuff on. We'll come into our drive that we use, or you can save them to your computer or whatever. And we will put this here and title this monthly market update short form video SOP. Now, again, that's a very basic one, but then once we save it within this document, it'll be here and we could share this with anyone or whatever. But obviously, you as the broker could figure that out. But in such a short time, we recorded a video, we screen shared, and we created an SOP for our brokerage or our team. So as you see there, just in a few short minutes, and granted, I use something extremely basic, and that's something that, you probably will take to a whole nother level, but you can see the time saved by utilizing the screen share option on Loom. I use Vimeo or OBS, whatever program you want. If you have questions about putting this into action, I would love to chat with you. Comment growth below and I will absolutely get with you. You can also book a realtor game plan call in the link below, or always reach out to me on the socials. But if we're absolutely diving into this, we want to make sure that we are using that video piece, so the screen share, so I can upload the link to the video right into that. Super easy. That was not shown on the screen, but I could show you another time. You can just download the video into the Google Drive, share it, pull that link and put it right into that document that I did create for you. And so if we're doing that, we're at another level, right? We're using tech, we're using video to show it. We're using, a transcription model to pull it in and everything we say. Now, once we do that, then we can create the outline so that it's in words. Then we include that video and we're off to the races. Now, it's important to make sure that we are changing these as we go. But the fact that you can just do one thing one time and it can be standard and uniform across the brokerage or team is absolutely massive. And instead of writing all that stuff out, then maybe screen sharing, then doing this and doing that, we have made a streamlined process so this can work, and now you can share it with technology through the Google Drive. So make sure that that absolutely occurs. I talk to my agents a ton about this when they're first new, to document their journey, document everything they're doing. And now we have AI and these screen share tools and video and all the things to do that, because one day someone's going to be in their shoes, and if they become the next top producer, that would be awesome if they had the entire piece of their journey so that they could share that with the other agents in the community. So that's kind of the ultimate thing for this. Okay, so obviously efficiency, scalability, absolutely key to your growth as a team leader or a broker owner right now, or if you aspire to be one day, this is absolutely gold for you to start doing in your business, because as you aspire to those ranks, you will have less time for your production, and the whole point is to duplicate yourself so that your business and your income can duplicate along with it. So that's absolutely the ninja trick to do this, and using technology, AI, and video in order to create those SOPs is the key. And so here's the deal. I have created a 10-step checklist for growth as a team leader or a broker. If you comment growth below, or you shoot me a DM over on Instagram at the RE Agent Playbook, I will immediately send you my 10-step growth checklist for brokers and team leads. There is all kinds of things on there, and if you go through that and you see it and you want to book a call with me, I am more than happy to go through a consultation with you so that we can trade war stories on how, I grew to 120 agents and you're growing, and as we go, because it's absolutely key to have that collaboration as leaders in our industry. So do that for me. I would love to reach out and have that conversation. You can also book a realtor game plan call with me below, and I would be happy to help however I can, because I want to see you grow and the rest of this year and into 2025. So I hope that helps, and let's have a conversation soon. Bye-bye.